What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This package was sent to me by my good friends over at Neeve's Knives. That's Jared and Kara Neeves. You guys have heard me talk about them a lot on this channel. They lent me a ton of knives for help with my quest for the perfect budget knife series. Just infinitely helpful. Awesome part of the knife community. Do me a favor, guys. Real quick, I know you guys want me to open this up, but do me a favor. I can't figure out how they're not at 1,000 subscribers yet. Can you guys pause my video and just go over there and subscribe? I promise you, the content is worth it. They're awesome people. They know what they're talking about. Let's get these two to 1,000. Let's get them there. I mean, I go over there and check all the time, and I'm like, how? These guys are so good. I legitimately enjoy their content. I urge you to go and experience their channel, please. I will link their channel in the description as well as pin a comment, so it's real easy to just go over there, hit subscribe, and turn your notifications on. Anyways, let's see what's in here, because truthfully, Jared and Kara, I remember you telling me you were going to send me something, but I'm embarrassed to say I don't remember what it is. So this will be another real organic experience. So anyways, guys, part of the reason, well, actually all of the reason that I am able to provide daily knife content, sometimes 2 videos a day, is, you know, it's 100% due to my generous Patreon supporters. There are a lot of costs associated with this channel, and that is made possible by the funds generated from Patreon. So if you've been enjoying my content, you like daily content, if you'd like to help support me, you certainly can. Don't feel obligated, but there is a link in the description for my Patreon. You can have a look around, and if you'd like to, you can join any tier. The support would absolutely mean the world to me. Here we go. We have a Kizer and a Gonzo. Interesting. I'm very intrigued. What do we have in here? We also have some stickers. Check those out. That's really cool. You guys have awesome stickers. Really cool. I'll have to make sure that I send them. Oh wait, there's one more. I will have to make sure that I send you guys some stickers as well. Now I can use these in my quest for the perfect budget knife series. So Jared and Kara, I will be sending you a couple of my own. Absolutely. These stickers are stickers that you'll get if you guys decide to join my Patreon viewers or whoever. I think Neeves, I think they're already on my Patreon, but anyways, guys, thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get into these two here. All right. So which one do I want? I want to do the Gonzo first. I know every time I open up a Gonzo, people are like, oh, they get all up in arms. Sorry if you're sensitive to Gonzos. They're going to be shown on this channel. That's the way that it is. What do we have? Oh, this isn't a Gonzo. This is a Bestech. I was like, what? When did Gonzo's logo change to Bestech? This is the Paladin, isn't it? Yeah, all right. So I listed this as one of the top 10 knives or top 15 knives that I wanted to review. Oh, so cool. I'm pumped. Awesome. Another fantastic addition. A knife that I can surely use as an example in my quest for the perfect budget knife series. Thank you so much. What do we have here? It's not super heavy. Oh, this is the mini Begleiter, right? Yes. Okay, interesting, because I just picked up the mini Doman. So that's right. We talked about doing a comparison video between the mini Begleiter and the mini Doman because they are so similar. Very, very cool. There's a slight clip point to the mini Begleiter. I don't remember that being on the larger one. Am I mistaken? This mini, for whatever reason, the mini Begleiter is a lot more compelling to me than the large one. I think it's because I didn't like the texturing on the large G10 versions of both of these. I've experienced it with this one. I've reviewed the larger Doman on my channel, or the larger Begleiter on my channel, and it was okay. I ended up giving it away. But I have not experienced the larger Doman, but I noticed that the G10 texturing was the same as the larger Begleiter, but I really prefer this lighter texturing that's on these two. So really, really cool. Thanks so much, guys. I appreciate that. I'll have fun taking a look at these and kind of playing with them, and absolutely, you know, expect to get full reviews and my thoughts on each of these. They're excellent. Alright guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Like I said, links in the description for my Patreon. There's also links down there for some really useful EDC items and the tools that I use to maintain my own knives. So if you'd like to purchase some of that stuff for yourself or for your loved ones or just friends that you're trying to get into the EDC world this holiday season, feel free to use my links. That directly supports the channel and I'd really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.